Oh my lord, it's Tech Tran. How are you doing?
Good.
I'm really excited about this.
Good, cool.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Bit nervous. I've actually tried it. we'll see.
You're going to try it now?
We're going to try it for first time.
Yeah, let's go. Here's the microphone.
Right, thanks. Hi. Hi, I'm Tak. I'm going to talk about Withered technology. It's kind of about getting old. So by day, I do DevOps and full stack development at AG Grid, and by night I've got a YouTube channel, Forest and Tree, and I make fun little things, and I'm going to show you some of the fun little things I made. So first up, does anyone know what this is, or what it's for? Infrastructure, yeah. For?
Smart home.
Smart home, close, yeah. Something in a smart home. No? It's for a Hue light. So that's the infrastructure diagram for a smart light. But I kind of really resonate with this kind of comment about like, do you really need all this infrastructure for like a light bulb? So like as a junior, I just would be very happy like coding that up and then making it work. But nowadays I just like feel withered and like I love deleting code now and just like strip it all back, delete it all. Like let's see what else we can have. So this is my kind of attempt at like going down that path, and it's basically a light. It's got a, oops, it's a bit janky through the travel, but it's got a switch, turns on and off. It's got it's got this like LED noodle, but there's no code, no infrastructure, no maintenance, and yeah, just everything is visible, and like it just made me happy. Like just like it kind of distilled this idea of what technology is, like what it could be, like stripped down to its bare bones of what a light can be. It's just basically power, a light source, and like wiring it up. And then it kind of like led to other things of like, what else could a light be? And like I've kind of got these other experiments of what if you separated the light source and the power? Oh, should probably and kind of connect it up by inserting it. And then another one was more about just using magnets and just more lights and just like this is probably not going to work with the videos. Anyway, yeah, so it kind of gives you this other mechanism for switching it on. You can like kind of shake it around. It kind of flickers a bit, which was unintentional, but I kind of liked it. And it kind of looks like hair. But these are kind of lights that I've never seen before, and I kind of just went down this path of like, what else could I do with lights? And then, so a lot of this stuff is made out of Lego, and like when I show it to people, people will go, oh, you should get a 3D printer, like it's great. But I just love Lego. Like it's just so tactile in the making process, and like it's also very reusable. Like after I've made this little like contraption for a joystick, basically I can just rip up the Lego, throw it back in the container, and then I can use it again. So like making things in physical space, it kind of like makes me think about the environment as well. And like a lot of the times we're in this linear economy where we make the thing, we throw it away, it's someone else's problem, goes off elsewhere. But then like if you design it from the beginning to be reusable, like that product can kind of keep on going and going and going. And so with Lego you can buy it secondhand. I bought it by weight. I've got like 3 kilos of Lego nowadays. But you can also buy exactly what piece you want, even from the Lego site called Pick-a-Brick. And so this kind of led me to a use case I had at home, where I have a baby, 9-month-old baby at the moment, and if anyone has a baby, that album is magical. Like I just play this one song. Where is it? Yeah, there's one song. I connected up. I put you have to do this weird. You have to jump through a couple of loops with making it work properly. But you create like an Android intent with the app, and then you can load it onto a NFC tag, which looks like this little circle. And then I've just used Lego as a container. But what you can do is Is that? Oh yeah, okay, cool. So basically, you can just load it up and play the song. Oop. No. Anyway, it's a great song for getting babies to sleep. Anyway, so yeah, I used where is it? Yeah, so I used it last night and it was great. It worked charm. And then I kind of like thought about this as a kind of what else could I do with it? And I realized if I had like, how could I maximize how many of these like NFC things I could have in one little object? And thought actually I could make a cube, and then I have 6 of them, and then so I've made a couple. And each one's like a little cassette type thing. And I like the whole process of using Lego because you kind of sculpt it in real life. And then Lego actually have this app called Bricklink or Lego Studio, where you can like design it virtually. And then it links to Bricklink and you can order the exact parts you want. So this is the cube that I ended up with. This is version 3. And then from that, I got to put all my favorite songs from like 2025, because this year is all baby songs. But yeah, this is my Brat cube because Brat Summer was great for me. But I don't, now that there's no music, well, I'll show you. Yeah. So each side had a different song. So you can kind of make an album of sorts. And like, because each part you can kind of like take off, you can rewrite it. And it's like recreating that feeling of cassettes, and you can rewrite it if you want. Yeah. And then so the other thing is like, what else can you do with NFC? So this is the last demo, but so it only works on mobile at the moment because it's like your laptop doesn't have an NFC reader. But okay, so what I can do is like, oh shit, okay, scan tag. Okay, yeah, there. So that one's a soccer ball. So that code underneath is like all the code. So each NFC tag has about 500 Ks, which is why I asked someone over there, Martin, I think it was how much can you fit in 500 Ks? And so this was just an experiment of what you can fit. So you can make it spin around, you can make it shake, you can do matrix. You can, that one's supposed to be confetti. Oh, there you go. And then this one is a pew pew sound, but you can't hear that. Okay. So, yeah, so I guess one of the ideas I've kind of been pursuing is like, there's this Alan Kay quote about like, if you want to see the future, you just kind of spend 10 or 20 times the more, and then you can get a glimpse. But I'm wondering, like, what about another type of future or like another feeling? And there's this other idea of like lateral thinking with withered technology. And like this Gunpei Yokoi kind of came up with it. And just like using existing technology, but like what other creative ways could you apply it? And that's kind of what I've been playing around with. So thanks, that's me. If you want to catch me, please.
Thank you very much. It is the feeling of computing to come and tell Alan Kay he's wrong. Does anyone have any questions?
What's forest in the tree mean?
What's forest in the tree mean?
I guess it's like a recursive thing of like, where do you find truth? Where do you find whatever you're looking for? And sometimes it's just in yourself or like in the thing, if you just look deeper. And it kind of like, recurses. But yeah. Go. Thank you. Oh, there you go. This is a song. It's a great song.
Yeah, play a little.
Where is it? It's
Play a little while.
Go to sleep, go to sleep, little sleeper. Go to
all
sleep,
right.
go to sleep, go to sleep, little sleeper.
The look.
Close the eye,
Yeah.
close
Usually like 3 songs in, she's asleep. It's like magical.
closed, your eyes closed. Go
I feel sleepy already.
to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep, little sleeper. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep, little sleeper.
Okay.
Okay, I try my best to fit in 7 minutes.